A lot of people think you can't block with a DA. But, as I will now demonstrate, if you use the same crisscross motion as you do with any other block, you'll find you can block stuff out pretty good. Now you know.
Yes, let's sand some more. It's gonna be awesome. Yeah.
Yeah, you know what's nice about having that new shop is no more working outside.
Oh, this. Let me just get the hoodie on. Let me close the door.
We finally made it. It's so nice.
So warm.
I mean, that's got to be metal finished. There's no body work going on here. It's got to be good enough to paint, just like the rest of this.
Well, it is unless you want me to cut this and then move this back out so it doesn't have this weird.
No, I kind of like the weirdness. For the, you know, money that patch costed, I think it's perfect. Not even though a patch probably would only cost like $12.
Glad you told me that.
You find the light? What weirdness? I don't see any weirdness. Well, if we put the mud flat back on, it'll hide everything. So the patch we had was from my buddy who came out of the front side of the bedside for the other side. But as you can see, our fabricators made it work, and we learned from Puddin that you don't need the inner structure, so we're not going to do anything there. It's going to be perfect.
I need this thing not to be driving. This.
Oh yeah.
She's a little tricky.
Oh, I don't matter. It's gonna be... Sure, we're trying to cut both sides.
Right? I was gonna say, I don't know if it'll take it. The bit fell out of there too. Oh, both of them did. Dang.
Well, man, how close did you get? Not very. Oh man, you damaged on her.
You gotta turn it around.
I gotta go buy a couple more now. At least we protected the logo still.
Right.
I think you should have stuck with the cutoff wheel method.
That's what I was thinking too. Where's
All right. Well, anyway, I don't know.
You'll find the other one now. Unbelievable.
So anyway, we're just trying to cover, you know, things don't have the stuff and stuff like that. But anyway, here's the finished rust repair job. As you can tell, you can't even tell. Pretty much brand new, so that's good. And then Angel here got some new wiper blades, so we're looking good there. Now we're just ready to drive over to Costco and get Christmas trees. That's gonna be good when we make a big video talking it up and we go drive down the road about a mile. We're here. All right, well, you saw what's happening here, and that's all that is. So I had some footage, more, for this, but I lost it. And the battery on my camera, I can't get it to charge, so I'm using my ancient, you know, iPhone 1, and there's no memory on it, so it's a sad story. But anyway, even sadder is I'm still standing on this hood And I've got it into 220 as of now. One more night out here, 320 it. And then I'm not messing with these headlight buckets. I got the edges sanded, so I know they fit flush. I'll just take them off and finish sanding those. So yeah, I had some video of this wet down after I did the first block on it, showing how sweet or not sweet it is. And I do that now after the 220, but I'm out of wax and grease remover, so I've got to get another 100 gallons of that. And then I'll show you after it's 320'd. But we're getting near the end of this messy sanding mess. Messy? Did I mention messy? I can't wait to blow this place out. Get rid of all this polyester dust. And parts coming for this on Friday. Redo the lower shockwave mounts. Get this out of here, cleaned off, put away, and get this thing blown apart. So that's probably it until this weekend. So have a super terrific, awesome Thanksgiving, or don't. I mean, it's up to you. It might not be up to you. It could be up to other people, but either way, yeah.
Yeah, sanding! That's it! Poly is blocked.
Well, let's see if it's all good in the hood. I mean, on the hood, let's see if the hood's good. I patented. A lot of people, be showing this on Instagram, like, they're showing you something new. I invented this trick back in 1843. If you don't believe me, just go back to 1843 and watch my first YouTube videos. The problem area was right around where the cowl bumps up. Well, the problem area was mainly this whole half of this hood. And some people might think I'm exaggerating when I talk about how bad this hood was. But it was. Very bad. This is very, very bad. It's horrible, Peter, this hood. It's not perfect. I mean, yeah. I don't really know what they're supposed to look like. This one was used for trampoline. The one on the other car is aftermarket and has the inner structure cut out. So if you see anything, go ahead and keep it to yourself. Because I think that is good. It's good on the hood. Yeah. The hood is gray. One side might be different than the other, but as long as you can't look at both sides of the hood at the same time. Oh wait, you can. Crap. Anyways, no, it looks pretty good. So, anyway, poly's blocked. Minus the headlight bezels. That doesn't count. Now I'll just run a DA with interface pad, some 6 or 800 over all the surfaces before I final prime it, but before that I gotta sand all the jams. Yeah, I'm happy. I am happy with it. I can't, other than this fender being crappy and this hood, I am very happy. And as crappy as those two situations are, I think they're gonna be fine. I don't think anybody else would ever notice anything. The problem I'm seeing in some angles on this hood is from here to here, it kind of dips down that way, which will happen when you stand and jump up and down on the top of the cowl. I got it out as good as I can. I can't say that I would know what to do if I wanted to make it any better. That's how you know you're good, when you don't know how to make it any better than it is. You've reached the end of your abilities, and I'm gonna quit looking at it. So that's good. Perfect. So, happy Thanksgiving. Probably start taking this apart this weekend. You know, when anybody watched Adam the Woo? I've been watching him forever, back when he used to do abandoned building explorations and stuff. But anyway, he's big on the whole YouTuber thing, where you see him like this, where they're trying to come up with their thumbnail in the video, but he'll do it like 20 times, multiple spots in the video. I mean, edit that stuff out later. That's weird. Why do people do that? I know the why they do it, but come on. Come on, guy. So anyway, maybe I'll use that for my thumbnail. Very bad news. We're done sanding poly. It's a shame. It's really enjoyable. I'd hate to clean up all this mess. You know how many times I've cleaned out the inside of this car? Not enough. That's how many. As far as this flapper door for the hood, I had it on there once. It's good enough. Except for that dent. So that's ready to paint with some sanding and sealing and sanding and basing, and that's part of the painting, so never mind. Yeah, can you tell? I'm just so happy. I don't know what to do. Except sand these and tear the front end off and block all the poly on the firewall, and well, let's just not think about that.